In our previous class, we have already done with the converting of mixed fraction to improper fraction and improper fraction to mixed fractions. We have already done. We will do some problem sums regarding this chapter, and after that we will learn how to add and how to subtract two number. Okay, two mixed fractions. Suppose I am having this mixed fraction with me, this one, and with it I am adding this one. Okay, now what I have to do, I have to convert them to the improper fraction. So we can do in two ways. Either I can convert them into improper fraction then add, or I can do what, 2 plus half, I can write this fraction as this, and 3 plus 1 4. Next I will add these two numbers because they are not in fraction. So 2 plus 3 I will add, and these two fractions, the fraction will be added separately. So this will be 5 plus half plus 1/4. Now we will follow the process that of fraction addition that we have already done. Here we have to find the LCM of the denominator. As I can see, this is 5 and there is nothing in the denominator, there will be 1, and LCM of 2 and 4 will be always 4, right? The LCM will be 4. So what I have to do, I will write 4 here. There is nothing, so 5 will be multiplied into 4, 2 and 4. So what we know, that 4 divided by 2 into 1, the numerator, in numerator there is 1. In next, 4 divided by 4, and again there is nothing, so there is 1 will be added. So this will be 20 plus 2 plus 1 divided by 4, that is 20 plus 2, 22 plus 1, that is 23 by 4. So by adding them I get a improper fraction. As I can see, this is improper fraction. So again I can convert them into the mixed fraction. To convert them into mixed fraction, 23 will be divided by 4. 5 4s are 20 and 3 is the remainder. So we know whatever will be the remainder will be written in the numerator part, and the number which I am using for division process, that will be here, and the quotient will be here in this portion. So this will be 5 whole 3 by 4. 5 whole, 5 is a whole number because the 5 is the quotient. So 5 whole 3 by 4, that will be the answer. Okay, now let us take another example, another difficult one. I am taking this from your book. This is in 113 page. This is 2 1 by 5 plus, I am adding them with 1 4 by 15 plus 1 whole 1 by 20. So what we will do, we will separate these ones, this whole numbers. Okay, now I can see 2 plus 1 plus 1, that is 4. So 4 I am writing here separately. 1 by 5 plus 4 by 15 plus 1 by 20. Now I have to find the LCM of 5, 15 and 20. I will find the LCM. So 5, 1, 3 and 4. We know in LCM we have to take these factors also. So 5 into 3 is 15, 15 into 4 is 60. So 60 is the LCM, so I will write here. There is nothing in nothing under this 4, that is in the denominator part there is nothing in 4, so 4 will be multiplied with 60. Now here 60 divided by 5, that is 12, 12 into 1, 12 itself, divided by 15 divided by 60 divided by 15 is 4, 4 into 4 is 60. 20 divided by 60 divided by 20 is 3, 3 into 1, 3. So what I get here, that is 240 plus 12 plus 16 plus 3 divided by 60. Now adding them, we will add them in this, using this rough. Okay, add. Now 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 3 11, 1 carry over, 4 plus 1 5, 6 7 divided by 2. So I get here 161 divided by 60. Again this is an improper fraction, so we will convert them into the mixed fraction. So 271 divided by 60. Okay, what I get, that is 4. I can use 4. 4 zeros are 0. 24 minus, we get this. That is, here we know how to write the mixed fraction. That is, I will write the 60 as the denominator part, 31 in the numerator part, and 4 will be in here. That is 4 whole 31 by 60. This is my answer. Okay, so this is how we are going to add 2 or 3 mixed fractions. In the same way, we can subtract also. Let us take an example of subtraction. I am taking this number as subtraction. This will be like this. Okay, so first we will take this. Okay, now I will use a bracket because there is minus sign here. Okay, now in this process we can do in 2 process. Now if I want to use this process, I have to know that if I open this bracket, all the plus sign will be converted into minus. But this is very difficult to remember because you have not learned yet about this sign conversion. So in this process, what will I use? I will simply convert them into the mixed fraction. Okay, so what we have to do in the mixed fraction? 2 into 3 6, 6 plus 1 7. So this will be 7 by 2. And 2 into 2 4, 4 plus 1 5. So this will be 5 by 2. And this will be very much easier. 2 and 2 both 2's are there in the denominator. So LCM will be 2 and 7 minus 5. So this will be 2 by 2. 2 and 2 get cancel out and we get 1 as number. Now let us take another example from 115 number page. There I will do 61 by 15 minus 53 by 25. So I have to find the LCM of 15 and 25. So 5, 3 and 5. We know 5 5 25. 25 into 3 we have 75. Okay, so the LCM will be 75. 15 5s are 75. That means I have to multiply 61 into 5. 25 into 3 is 75. So I have to multiply 53 into 3. So I get here 3 3s are 9 and this will be 15. 75. Now do this subtraction here in this rough. So I get 146 by 75. Okay, I can convert them into this mixed fraction. I can convert this answer in the mixed fraction also, like previous way. Like I will divide this 146 divided by 75. So I will get 71. So this will be 1 whole 71 by 75. This will be our answer. Okay, so we have done so many sums from here. I will do 1 or 2 problem sum also from this. There is one problem sum in 159 which is not done. If 12 whole 2 by 3 meter is cut out from 2 whole 5 and 11 meter rope, how much will be left? So the total length of the rope is 2 whole 5 by 11 and 12 whole 2 by 3 meter is cut out from that hole, from that rope. So what I have to do, we have to subtract these two numbers. So as 2 whole 5 by 11 is the total length of the rope, that means I have to subtract 12 2 by 3 this number from this. This is greater than this. Okay, that's why I have to do this. How much will be left? So will be left this much. Okay, now what I have to do, I have to convert them into the improper fraction first. So 11 2s are 22, 22 plus 5 is 27, minus this will be 36 plus 2, that is 38 by 3. Now as these are co-prime, so the LCM will be simply 33. Okay, so 27 into 3 and this will be 38 into 11. So this will be 21, 1 is there, 2 in our hand, 6 plus 2, 81. And if I do this, I think there is something wrong in this sum, because if I do this 33 plus 8, see here, this number is greater than this 81, so your number will be in negative. So there is something wrong. Okay, I think this 12 hole 2 by 3 will be the total length of the rope, and 2 hole 5 by 11 will be the portion that we cut out. There is this wrong is wrong. Okay, sorry, this sum is wrong. Okay, so you don't need to do this sum. Please leave this sum. This is a wrong sum. I am leaving this sum because this is wrong. The number are given wrong. If I just change the number, like if I take the total length of the rope to be 12 hole 2 by 3, and if I subtract 2 hole 5 by 11 from this, that is, this is the portion that we cut out, then this will be 38 by 3, and this will be 27 by 11. Now I think this can work. So here I get 41, and this will be, I get, oh sorry, I have done some wrong thing. Still that this will be 3 na. I have written 8 here. This will be 3, 1 in our hand, 2, 6, 81. So this will be 481 minus 81. So by subtracting I get this will be 337 by 33. This will be our answer. Okay, this will be our answer, and we can change them into the mixed fraction also. We can change this sum into the mixed fraction also by dividing 337 by dividing 33. Okay, but this sum is given, different sum is given here. The number is there is some mistake in the number, so please leave that sum. I just tell you that if the number will be like this, then the sum will be right. But if the as the number is as the sum is given wrong, please leave this sum. Okay, so number 9 is almost complete. Number 9 is complete here. I have done most of the sums, so the rest of the sums will be your homework, and in the next class we will be starting the next chapter, that is let's play with matchsticks, that is chapter number 10. Okay.